Hello everyone. Today we will learn and write 10-line speech on Teachers' Day. So let's start. Number 1 point is Assalamu alaikum, or you can say good morning. Everyone. My name is Ahmad. Today is 5th October. We are celebrating Teachers' Day. First, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. This day is celebrated to show the gratitude and honor to all the teachers. Teachers are our guiding lights, helping us learn and grow. They inspire us to have big dreams and work hard to achieve them. Teachers are the backbone and second parents in everyone's life. On this day, I want to say thank you to all my teachers for their efforts, contributions, and dedications. Thank you. Thanks for watching.